Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Sharmin Sultana, Associate Professor at Din Sokina Women's Medical College, Joshua. Today we discuss about pituitary gland. Pituitary gland is a small gland. Another name of this gland is hypophysis. Its diameter is 1 centimeter and weight about 0.5 to 1 gram. The pituitary gland lies in the sella turcica. It is a bony cavity in the base of the skull, and this bony cavity is within the sphenoid bone. The pituitary gland is connected with the hypothalamus by pituitary stalk or hypophyseal stalk. Physiologically, this gland is divisible into two parts: anterior pituitary, another name of which is adenohypophysis, and posterior pituitary, another name of which is neurohypophysis. Between these two parts there is an avascular zone which is called pars intermedia. Then origin of the pituitary gland. Embryologically, these two parts of the pituitary gland originate from different parts. The anterior pituitary originated from the Rethicus pouch. This Rethicus pouch is an embryonic invagination of the pharyngeal epithelium. Then posterior pituitary originated from the neuronal outgrowth of hypothalamus. Then the cells of the pituitary gland. What are the cell types? According to the secretion of major hormones from the pituitary gland, for each type of hormone there are one specific type of cell, and according this, or we can get from the pituitary gland 5 types of cell. These cells are somatotropes which secrete somatotropin or human growth hormone. Then corticotropes which secrete corticotropins or adrenocorticotropic hormone. Then gonadotropes which secrete gonadotropins, that means FSH and LH, follicle stimulating hormone and luteinizing hormone. Thyrotropes which secrete thyroid hormones, and last of all there is lactotrope which secrete lactotropin, that means prolactin. These 5 types of cell we can get in the pituitary gland, and among these types of cell, majority of the cells are somatotrope. They comprises 30 to 40% of all the cell mass. So the majority cell of the pituitary gland is somatotrope. Then corticotropin or corticotropes comprises 20% of all the cell mass of pituitary gland. The other types of cell, the other type of cell constitute 3 to 5% among the total cell mass, and they perform their important function in milk production, reproductive function and thyroid function. The somatotropes stain strongly with acidic dye, and so they are called acidophils. So tumors from the pituitary gland which secrete large amount of growth hormone, so we call these tumors of the pituitary gland as acidophilic tumor. Then what are the hormones that come from the pituitary gland? 6 important peptide hormones come from the anterior pituitary gland, and 2 important peptide hormone come from the posterior pituitary gland. The anterior pituitary gland play major role in the metabolic functions throughout the body. Now we discuss what are the hormones that come from the anterior pituitary gland. The anterior pituitary gland secrete growth hormone which causes growth of almost all cells of the body that are capable of growing by protein formation, cell multiplication and cell differentiation. Then adrenocorticotropic hormone which controls the secretion of some of the adrenocortical hormone that are mainly responsible for the metabolism of glucose, protein and fat. Then thyrotropin or thyroid stimulating hormone which control the secretion of thyroxine and triiodothyronine by the thyroid glands. and control the rate of many internal chemical reactions of the body. Then we come lactotrope, which is concerned with milk production. Then gonadotropins, that are follicle stimulating hormone and luteinizing hormone, which control the growth of ovaries and testes, and they are concerned with the development and reproductive functions of the body. Then two important posterior pituitary hormones are ADH, antidiuretic hormone or vasopressin, and oxytocin. Antidiuretic hormone has pressure effect, or it constricts the blood vessels, so we called it vasopressin. And antidiuretic hormone controls the amount of water by excreting water through urine. Thus, it controls or it maintains the amount of water in the extracellular fluid. Then oxytocin. Oxytocin is concerned with milk ejection. It causes contraction of the myoepithelial cells of breast, and while the baby suckle, it causes milk ejection. There is another function of oxytocin also. During the last trimester of gestation, it causes contraction of the lower segment of the uterus and facilitates the delivery of the fetus. And that is all about the pituitary gland, its relation with hypothalamus, the cells of the pituitary, and hormones come from the pituitary gland and their functions. Thank you.